Yo, when I tell you there's nothing else that smells like this, there isn't. If you're looking to impress your significant other, or if you're just looking for something of better quality of candles, then this is the pinnacle of exactly what you need. Hey, what's up? It's detaileddream, and let me introduce you to Cire Trudon, a luxury candle brand based in Paris and by far my favorite candle brand of all time. If you know me personally, then you know I am huge on candles and parfums. Basically anything that smells good. I love for my space to smell amazing at all times. I was looking for something more in my candles. I was tired of the mundane, ordinary candles that you got from regular stores. I wanted something that made me feel good every time I lit it. I wanted it to be an occasion, something that's memorable. And guys, if you aren't aware, there is an entire world of luxury candles out here. You have Diptyque, Jo Malone, and of course, my favorite, if I haven't mentioned it before, Cire Trudon. And while these brands can be on the expensive side, I mean, who would pay between $100 and $600 for a candle? I would personally, because that's me. That's something that I love to do with my money. You do get what you pay for because these scents are like nothing else that you've ever smelled before. And once you get your first luxury candle, I promise you, you won't be able to go back. With regular maintenance like trimming your wicks and preventing tunneling, these candles will last you quite a while. A candle this size, it lasts about 65 hours, I would say. And this is why I hold Cire Trudon as the pinnacle of candles. They are the original candle maker. I mean, they were founded in 1643. So I guess they had enough time to perfect their formulas. Candles came a long way. I mean, they used to be made from animal fat and oils. If you can only imagine how that smelled. Cire Trudon was the first to switch from that to using beeswax. The wicks are made from cotton, which helps the wax burn evenly. The glass of the candles are handcrafted in Tuscany, and they are inspired by champagne buckets, and the glass is finished off with the Trudon family crest. My favorite scent from them is the Meta line, which is what I have here, and it's godly, the smell. Like it's something I've never smelled before. The top notes are clove and lavender, and the base notes consist of tobacco, moss, and leather. I call it the perfect mixture. It's probably the best thing I've ever smelled. When it's lit, it fills up the entire room. I have a one-bedroom apartment, and it has no problem filling up the entire space. Oh, something I forgot to mention is that when you're done using the candles, you can resell the glass on sites like eBay. Yes, there are actually people who will buy the glass from these candles. You can get some money back off the candle you bought. So if you're looking for something more, something that doesn't smell like anything else you smelled before, then I highly recommend checking out Cire Trudon. You won't regret it. I'm in New York, so there is only one location here, so you can do a quick Google search to see if there are any stores near you so you can smell before you buy. If you enjoy things that smell good like candles, then go ahead and check out the luxury brands. You won't be disappointed. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite scents or brands, and leave a like while you're at it. It would be greatly appreciated. And that's going to be all for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now, where is my lighter? I need to light this now.